Just like English, Mandarin also consists of vowel sounds and consonants. In today's video, I'll be covering vowel sounds and show you guys how to pronounce them correctly. Let's do a duet here. Follow me, nice and slow. A, O, E, I, U, Ü, I, A, W, ao, O, U, Ye, Yue, R, An, En, In, Wen, Yun, Ang, Eng, In, On. By the way, I notice many beginners struggle with this sound. Remember, it's just like the sound you make when you're unsure about something. Like, I don't know. So if you have any further questions about any of these vowel sounds, leave them in the comment. See you in the next video.